On February 7, 2024, U-Haul van led police on a high-speed pursuit into two different states. The chase began in eastern Oklahoma and ended in Taneytown, Arkansas, located 147 miles northwest of Little Rock. Speeds during the pursuit exceeded 120 miles per hour. The chase later ended when a Taneytown police chief performed a TVI and crashing into a ditch.
On an extra. Good. Confirming a hit at South and Industrial.
2 mils, 2 mils.
Copy, 2 mil. Yeah, he's patched our radio.
I got 14 bleed on secondary.
Copy, 14, I'll be next.
They're on next corner. Driving out, letting back to 412. Hey, let me around you. Make around. 14 will be on the lead. Within the table.
Eastbound Barrington, Hightown 1's primary.
Up to the intersection, Gene George right now. So. Continue eastbound through Gene George.
Good work.
Eastbound. No, not yet. We're stopped down here. TVI.
Roll over. Star Central, it's tight on you. Charlie, around it. Airbags deployed.
Airbags deployed.
Airbags.
Alright. Hey, come out! Come out! Get the f out right now! Get out! Get the f out! Bust it! Get the fuck out of the car! JPX him, I got covered. Hey, watch out, JPX him! Get him! Shoot him! Scoop out! Get out! Get the out! Crawl out! You can pray, Get out! Search him back here on this car right here. All I saw was light going through the air. I was like, oh no. Yeah, it slid off. I was glad you're all right.
After arrest and search of the van, police found 2 firearms, a machete, and 2 Molotov cocktails.
Oh, found the gun. Did? Yep. Take a photo of it. It was loaded too. You got a camera?
If you would like to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel.